Hey guys, breaking news from Czech Wildlife Reserve. A dam project humans planned for 7 years was never built. Until 8 wild beavers took over. Guess how long they needed? Just 2 days. These chubby builders aren't just chewing randomly. First, they use thick logs for underwater foundations. Second, they seal gaps with mud to block water. And third, they even design spillways to prevent floods. Every beaver is certified as a hydraulic engineer, eco-warrior, and night owl champion. Quick quiz. Why do beavers obsessively build dams? A. OCD. B. To protect babies from predators. C. Starting a swim club? Got it right? Their parenting hacks are genius. Humans boast about smart tech, but beavers prove with 7 million years of evolution. True engineering isn't about bulldozers. It's teeth, tails, and love for home. Next time you procrastinate, remember these furry night shift workers.